Hi boys and girls, Mr. Haynes here. Today we're going to be talking about a subtraction strategy called adding up. And this is slightly different from the counting up strategy because, as the name implies, we add it instead of counting. And we use this when the numbers are a little bit too far apart to make counting up a good way to go. Okay? So for example, we would use the counting up strategy if we had a number like 322 take away 317. Okay? These numbers are fairly close together, and it would be easy enough for us to count up. All right, so I would go start at 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 322. Okay, so I would count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer would be 5. Okay, but when numbers are a little bit further apart, this doesn't really make sense because it's easy for us to get confused. So let's look at an example. We have 55 take away 37. And what we're going to do to solve this one using the adding up strategy is we're going to use a simple little number line. Okay, so I'm going to put my one number 37 here, and then the other one 55 over here. And then I'm going to put a line between them. Okay. And so the first thing I'm going to add up is I'm going to look for some friendly numbers that are easy for me to work with. So 37, if I'm going up, the next one would be 40. So I would do a little jump here, 3, which would bring me to 40. Okay? And then I'm going to do another kind of friendly jump. I'm going to add 10. 40 to 50 would be 10. So I'm going to do one here, and I'll put 10 there. And now I'm at 50. And the last one between 50 and 55 would be 5. Okay, so then all I need to do is add up the 3, 10, and the 5. Okay, so 3 plus 10 plus 5 would equal 18. All right, so now I know my answer. 55 take away 37 would be 18. Okay, so let's look at another one. So now we've got some slightly bigger numbers, but don't let those numbers intimidate you. The strategy is pretty similar, okay? We're just going to be doing some simple jumps with friendly numbers and then add them up afterwards. So once again, let's make our number line with 318 over here and 423 over here. Okay, so the first jump I'm going to do might be a small one. I just want to get to a friendly number, so I'm going to add 2, just a small little 2 number there, so I can get to 320. Okay, then I know that if I add 80 to here, I'm going to get to 400, and that's getting closer to where I want to be. Okay, so then, actually, you know what? An even simpler jump would be to add 100. Because then I'll get to 420, and that's pretty close. So I'll do a jump here, and I'll put 100 there. Okay, and that will bring me to 420. And the last jump to get up to 423, I just need a small little one of 3. Okay, and that will bring me up to my number of 423, and then I have to add them together. So I'm going to put 100 as the first one because it's kind of easier, plus 2 plus 3 would equal 105. Okay, so my answer is 105. Okay, so a few simple jumps to get to some friendly numbers, then adding them all up, and I get to my answer. And that is the subtraction strategy called adding up.